What's up, guys? Today I have something to do to Suki here. I just got in the mail today a tonneau cover for it. We're gonna be trying to fit that on today. So this tonneau cover that I just bought is a Tuxedo tonneau cover. It's like one of those low pro ones. I'll show you guys the part number in a minute. By the end of this, if you like how it looks, then you'll know what to get. This tonneau cover is for, I think it's for in like an 87 or 88 to 2011 Ford Ranger. Not the step side one. It's the 6-foot bed with the regular bed on it, not the step side one that some of them have. But I just opened it up. I was already kind of testing some stuff out. Before we get started, just let me show you something real quick. These are the brackets that they come with. They bolt on just like this. This being not a Ranger, what we have to do is take this apart. And this little bolt that's inside of here, I went and got some new bolts for it. Okay, so this is how they mount. They slide right into these grooves right here, these teeth on the top, and then they would go and clamp on this underside of the bed here, right there, this bottom piece. But I was struggling, it won't fit. What I had to do is I went to Ace Hardware, got some new hardware. They're about a ½ inch longer. See, there's the size. So that's how that will fit. And then another thing is, you might notice we have this piece. This was the other modification that I had to make. This bottom piece would have kind of just slid up here. So I took the vise and I bent this a little bit, and this one's tight now. There will be 3 on each side. I'll get those, all the rest of my like clamps, I'll get the bottom piece bent. The bottom piece is gonna be that bigger one. So here's the top, it's just the L. And then the bottom is this U shape. This is the one that we gotta bend. Bend the side with the teeth. That's what I'm doing. So that it can grab on to the inside of the rail here. And I'm not sure if this is exactly positioned where I'm gonna need it. See, we got like a gap here. No gap up here. It's actually hanging a little bit over, so I'll move it back a little bit. Guys, this isn't gonna fit perfect, I'm kind of assuming, because this is a 68 Datsun pickup. And this is for a Ranger, but they don't make, well, at least I don't know, I haven't found anything of people making tonneau covers or company making them. I thought about making my own tonneau cover a while back, like one of those old button style ones where they like kind of pin to the sides of the bed, but I wanted to try this out. If I don't like it, I could find another use for it. If I don't like how it looks on this truck, there's a chance that it might fit on the Isuzu out there. Or maybe my brother's 620, or maybe even my other brother's hard body. But I think that bed would be too big, but who knows. So we'll try this. We'll see if I like it. If you guys like it, you can order it. I'll show you the part number really quick. Okay, so I guess it fits a Mazda as well. B series Mazda. But here's the part number, 250101. Yeah, it should be pretty self-explanatory. This is all that comes with it. Is the rails, the clamps, and then of course the actual tonneau cover. So let's get this thing installed. I think I got the rails lined up pretty well. This is how I'm lining it up. That is about my finger, like a ½ inch maybe. Same with this side, and then up front I'm leaving just a little bit of bed here to try and fit as perfect as I can. And then I showed you guys that I bent one of these right here. I bent that piece out a little bit. I also went in and bent these to a little bit more of like an acute angle. So they were starting out at like a 90, and I went in with the vise. I hammered that piece in so it's kind of like in more, so that it can go just like that. And as you can see, those are under there pretty well. If you're installing this, I recommend starting off by just doing 4 of them, because it would suck. You could even do 2 just to start off, maybe just do 2 in the middle, but I just went with 4. But don't do all 6 clamps, just in case you need to readjust it so you don't have to undo so many of them. But yeah, I got these 4 tightened down. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other 2 in the middle on each side. Then I'll close it and I'll show you guys what that looks like. All right, guys, the tonneau cover is on. And just like that, it's a pretty good fit for not being for this truck. So if you guys are looking for a tonneau cover, you Datsun people, just like myself, if you guys are looking for a tonneau cover, this one's pretty good. It's a little bit pricey, but most tonneau covers are. I think I probably could have moved it just a little bit more, like a 1/4 inch, but it's looking really good. I got it lined up to the back pretty well, it even rounds off with the bed of my truck. Tailgate opens, and then just like any other tonneau cover, just underneath to open it, there's 2 little like levers that you pull up on it, and then you can roll it open. But yeah, I'm gonna roll with this for a while. If I decide I don't really like it too much, later I might just, like I said, put it on a different truck, but so far I am liking it. Also, one more thing I have to install in this video. So if any of you guys are on Instagram who are into Datsun trucks, you might have heard of a guy, Jake's Makes. He has awesome parts for Datsuns, like not just Datsun trucks, but like 510s and stuff. He makes all brand new parts that you can't really find anymore, like radio delete plate. And I got new front blinker lenses from him, radio delete plate for a Datsun 521 or a 520. Got this from him. He makes these, and I'll show you the blinkers that I got from him. These are super hard to come by, but because of him, I was able to get these. They're just like factory, only new. They even have all the old writing on them, the stamping, so that's pretty cool. They're a little bit darker than the ones that are on my truck now, but I actually like it a lot. I think it looks cool. There's a chance that these could be just faded a little bit too. But anyway, these are cracked, the ones that I have on right now. And this one is cracked and broken. So we're swapping those out today. Super excited. Ooh, look at that. Okay, in comparison, here is the Jake's Makes blinker lens versus the OEM blinker lens. All the casting is the same. It feels really strong, actually. Like, I'm not gonna try and rip it, obviously, but it feels really strong. Definitely go check out his Instagram account. Hit him up. He has a lot of good stuff. But yeah, I need to give this thing a wash. It's super dirty. Last time I drove it, it was like really wet and snowy out, and I was just driving it to the shop to park it for the winter. So got really dirty. Need to wash it. I think it's just about time to go take this thing out and give you guys some good angles of the tonneau cover outside of the shop, and some good angles for myself to see it outside of the shop. Cold starts on this thing are always amazing. got my fuel cell in the box of the truck, which you guys probably have seen, and now I don't have to worry about that getting like rained on or whatever if it's outside, or it's just hidden. It looks better, so yeah, pretty cool. So good to drive this thing again. Okay guys, so I decided to finish this video the next day because it was so dark out and I wanted some daylight to be able to show you guys this finished product of the Truck Sport tonneau cover on my Datsun 520. Here it is. I'm at a random spot, got some pretty good lighting on it. This is what it looks like. I am digging this tonneau cover like a lot, so I will definitely be buying another one, I'm sure. And I was measuring my brother's Nissan hardbody, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit on that too. So I might take it off this one day and try it on his truck just to see if that works for his as well. But it works super good. It's on there tight. Everything's fitting well. Show you guys how it rolls up real quick. Okay, so right here, these are the little latches to open it up. Then it just pops open like this. Then you can roll it up completely, and it rolls all the way up to the front, just like that. And then it comes with the little like tie things back here, just in case you want to hold it up front and not have it all the way down, like if you're carrying something. So I also need to get chains for my tailgate so it doesn't hang so low. But yeah guys, this is it. I'm already carrying stuff. These are the wheels, the summer wheels for the Isuzu, because if you guys didn't know, I drive that Isuzu through the winter with snow tires. I got a set of 2-inch drop spindles for the Isuzu that I'll be installing this week, and I'll make a video on it. Put those wheels back on, get the right like stance for it. It's super choppy up front and it bangs a lot, like going over bumps and stuff. So I'll make a video putting those drop spindles in, and then I'll take it to get an alignment after that. And that truck should be good. I've been wanting to put those on for a while. Also, one more quick thing before I finish the video. Make sure to go check out Jake's Makes. These new blinker lenses have been working amazing. They look super good. Go check out his account. But anyway, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.